Hi, I'm Taylor Thomas with NCM Capital Management. Today, we're going to discuss our top 10 list for financial planning considerations at year-end. Item number 1, required minimum distributions. These are distributions that must come out of a retirement account by the end of the year. The Secure Acts have changed the guidelines and rules for these a bit, so please review and take distributions if necessary for your accounts. Next, flexible spending accounts. These are a great way to save for medical costs. However, you can only roll over about $600 in a flexible spending account into the next year, 2023. So please review your account and spend down any assets to avoid losing them. Next would be retirement plan contributions. Most common are 401ks, 403bs. You want to try and max out your contributions where possible. Don't forget about things like a spousal IRA contribution if you're married and have a spouse who's not working, as they can contribute, may be able to contribute based on your income. If you're self-employed, think about a SEP IRA or a solo 401k. These plans are very easy to set up and have minimal tax filing requirements at the outset. Super funding a 529 plan. This is very powerful. You can actually put in about $80,000 into a 529 plan this year for a single beneficiary. You want to give thought to how soon that beneficiary will need those assets to think about investment positioning and try to avoid overfunding this type of an account. Backdoor and mega Roth strategies. A backdoor Roth strategy is a technique for high income earners to convert a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA without being subject to income stipulations. Next is a mega backdoor Roth. This, you can actually get $40,000 into a Roth or 401k account. Now, there are some stipulations and guidelines here and things that the employer's sponsored plan will need to meet, but certainly look into these to see if they are available to you. Lastly is charity. At this time of year, people think a little bit more about giving to charity, and a fantastic way to do that is donor advised funds. You can front load your charitable deduction and then spend or gift that money out to charities over your lifetime. So look into these as well. Very, very powerful. From there, think about income shifting if you have the ability. Maybe for self-employed individuals, do you want to receive from a tax standpoint, does it make sense for you to receive income this year or defer it into next? Review your estate plan. If you haven't done so in a while, pull the documents out, dust them off, and read through them to make sure that they still address your wishes. And certainly review beneficiaries on your retirement accounts if you haven't done so, and make sure that those are also in line with your wishes. Capital losses. Consider taking capital losses in your investment portfolio to offset capital gains. Don't forget to look at the capital gain distributions that came from any mutual funds that you may own. And number 10, look through your investment portfolio and consider any changes that might make sense. We likely will be releasing a separate video soon talking about potential investment changes that you might want to consider. But with that, we wish everyone a happy holiday season, a wonderful new year. And if you should have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us here at NCM Capital Management. Thank you.